Hey, what's going on YouTube? Liberty Tech Head back with another video and back with another quick unboxing. I don't know if you can guess, but I did upgrade my phone, and you know what phone that is? The iPhone 14 Pro Max. So I'm going to this from the iPhone 12 Pro Max. You know, I'm surprised I even lasted this long without upgrading. Usually I try to upgrade every year, but I say, you know what, let me hold off. 1 year. It was kind of hard, but I had other phones in between, like the Samsung S22 Ultra, the Samsung Z Fold 4. So let's quickly get into this unboxing. Quick overview. This is the Space Black 256 gigabyte model. I always go 256. I do a lot of videos and photos, and I've been okay with it. No need for 512 and up unless you're shooting 4K, you know, all day or something like that. So here we go. Simple packaging. Even though I do miss the old days of Apple's packaging with the adapter and whatnot. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can slide this out. Peel that off. There you go. Scoop that off to the side. And the process of getting this, you know, pre-ordered early in the morning. You know, there was some situation where the store wasn't updating, and so when I was on Twitter, you would see people saying, "Oh, I got my order," and then when you would go do it in the App Store would say, "We'll be right back," and I'm like getting kind of antsy and nervous. I eventually got the order in. Set the date to pick it up at 8 o'clock in the morning at the store, because I know UPS and FedEx, they're going to be running late because all these phones add to their route and it may cause them to back up. So I said I want it now. Let me get this now. Went to the store. They had their pickup line and then their in-store shopping line, which was longer than the pickup line. So I was in and out within 6 minutes. Okay, back to the phone. So yes, all black. I didn't want the deep purple. Now, I don't know why they added that color. I wanted the rumored burnt orange color that they had all over Google. That would have been a better color, but so I went with this. We haven't had a black iPhone in a while, other than, you know, your typical space gray. Let's go ahead and peel this off. Okay, I love the feel of it. Coming from this is a little bit more weighty. Can't wait to see the dynamic island in action on air. So you have your 3 cameras, your 48 megapixel cameras and your 12 megapixel cameras. Oh yeah, I forgot, no SIM tray. So that's going to be, you know, a nice setup there. Of course, your lightning port, which still people want USB-C. I don't know if that's going to ever happen. Some say iPhone will be portless before it even tries to go over transition to USB-C. You have your mute switch, volume up and down. I love the sleek black around it. Let's go ahead and boot this up for the first time. So as sad to see this one go. I'm going to be trading it in. Really have no use for it, but it served me well. And then the thing I really want to test out is the battery life. This the battery capacity for this has gone down to 84%. I 95% charged wirelessly, so that could have been why I took a major hit. But at the end of the day, it did last me almost all day. But I'm pretty sure this is gonna kick its behind. And judging from the battery tests I've seen on YouTube, I won't have no issues with this phone lasting all day. Okay, so we have, I'd say about 90% battery, 85% battery left. Let's go and swipe up. English, United States, quick start. I think I'm going to start new on this because I have way too many apps on here. Let me just show you guys how many apps I have on here. Okay, let me hold off on that right now. General settings, about, So as you can see, I take a lot of videos and photos. I have 1,531 videos on here, 15,157 photos, and 303 applications. So this is why I want to start new, so then I can pick and choose what applications I normally use on a daily basis. So let me put this down, and so this can focus. You can read my stats on here. 588 songs, and I still have 89 gigabytes left. Now this is over basically a 3-year period. So like I said, I don't really need to bump up to 512. Plus I got 2 terabytes of storage in the iCloud. So yeah, let's go ahead and put that away. Let's see, set up manually. This is not with a SIM tray, which makes me not want to forget to take out the SIM out of this before I trade it in, since I'm not going to really need it anymore unless I put it in my Samsung. Continue, set up later. I'm not going to do that yet. So, okay, so over here I gotta input the activation code. And take a few seconds. There we go. Agree, nobody reads all that. So you can already see the dynamic island here. Definitely won't miss the notch. Okay, so we got to this point here, set up cellular. So because we don't have a SIM tray, this is where you would set up the eSIM. So I like how easily it is to set up right here. It says you can transfer a phone number from your nearby iPhone or scan QR code provided by your carrier. So we're going to do, of course, nearby iPhone, since it's literally nearby. So it says to transfer a phone number from another iPhone, make sure your iPhone is passcode protected but unlocked. So that's what we're going to do here. Okay, and then it says device added to your account, and iPhone now has access to iMessage. Okay, so then on your previous phone, it now says transfer phone number. And that's what we're going to do. Verification code. So this is a bummer here. My phone number is down there, so I'm blocking it. So it says this phone number can't be transferred because the feature is not supported by your carrier. So this is another issue that may come up when setting up your iPhone, and shows you the not so much benefit of having an eSIM versus a physical SIM. Okay, so I'm finally back after 10 minutes. I didn't want to bore you guys with setting up the eSIM, but I hope no other people have issues like me. Again, this is a new thing for iPhone, and so the eSIM thing, you know, it will take getting some used to. So I had to go through my carrier's website, yada yada yada, have it upgrade device, blah blah blah, and all this other stuff. And basically, it took about 10 minutes to do. No, it's not a first world problem, but it is kind of a pain. So let's quickly go to next, and I got it all set up. So right now I'm starting off with a clean slate. And this is my first time doing that, by the way. So I don't have too many apps eating up the phone, and then I don't have to worry about daily updating my apps like yesterday before, you know, going to bed. I had about, about 40 apps to update. Updated them all this morning going out, and then eating breakfast. I noticed there was 32 to update, so I'm trying to keep the apps I download to a minimum. Oh, and let me, you know, just get the rest out of the box here. Lightning. I'm pretty sure you have Apple stickers in here. Yep, you do. And that's all that comes in the box. That's it for this quick unboxing, guys. Thanks for watching my video. More videos to come on this. the iPhone 14 Pro Max, especially photos and videos and whatnot, compared to the Samsung Z Fold 4. So thanks for watching my video, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see in comparisons, and subscribe. Peace out.